Welcome to Lily Artist English. In this video, I will teach you how you can draw design for fabric painting. So let's begin. Here I am drawing a floral design. The design you can use for fabric painting. So watch carefully and completely for better understanding. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, I will provide you a fabric painting tutorial in English. Here I am started drawing flower first, and then step by step I will connect it, and I am drawing 5 petal flower. You can say that pentamorphic, and this is how you are going to draw the petals. Okay, it is not necessary that all petal is exactly same. It can be like differ. It's okay. So now look carefully. Here I am started connecting my design like that. First of all, I do the flower, then I am connecting it, and after connecting my design, I will start drawing the leaves, the beautiful, cute leaves like that. Okay, a very simple but yet beautiful leaves. You can draw like that. If you watch video carefully, you can easily understand how you can draw design, and this video is especially for you because I am getting lots of comment for drawing videos. So here it is. Watch carefully, support me on this channel by watching complete video, and make sure to like this video because the like count give me confidence and motivation to make new videos. So don't forget. For any query question related to fabric painting, comment section is open. You can drop your question and queries there. I will try to make videos and cover the topic in the new video. If you are new to fabric painting, I will suggest you to watch class 1 and class 2. I will upload it on this channel because in those video I have explained how you can prepare fabric for fabric painting. So it may be very helpful and useful for you if you are new to fabric painting, and if you can understand both Hindi and English language, make sure to visit Lily Artist Fabric Works, which is my main channel in Hindi language. This is my second channel I have created for my subscriber who are not Hindi speaker. But if you can understand Hindi, make sure to visit Lily Artist Fabric Works, where you can get more than 500 videos, different fabric painting design, suit painting, bedsheet, pillow cover, and the variety of flower painting. I have covered mostly all the variety of flower in fabric painting, from basic to advanced, like rose, lotus, sunflower, daisy, daffodil, to zinnia, prajita, poppy, peony. So you have to visit. And marigold also, recently I have got some requests from the subscriber, and I painted a marigold, very beautiful realistic marigold on fabric. So make sure to visit that channel and watch the tutorial. I am sure it will also be very helpful for you and you will enjoy watching that tutorials also. I hope you understand how you can draw design. Here I am shading the design so anyone can share it, like if you are drawing it on your drawing book and wants to know how you can shade the design, so here it is. You can simply shade it like that and it will turn out very beautifully, and it will be very beneficial for your school going kids and all. So make sure to share with them also. Now let me shade it step by step, and then I will show you the final look. I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment down, like, and if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends and family who needs fabric painting tutorial in English. So this is how you can draw flower design for fabric painting, and you can also draw this design on your drawing book and shade it like that. I hope you like this video. Make sure to comment down and support me by watching complete video. See you in the new video with new design, new stuffs. Till then, take care. Bye bye.